Hello and welcome back to my channel. Coming up next is this 1963 Impala. This is a 1963 Impala that's gonna get an overall paint job. And why is it gonna get an overall paint job, you might ask? Well, as you can see, the paint was not applied good. Whoever painted this car didn't do a very good job, guys. You can feel it. You can actually feel like if it's sandpaper. You can see all the sand scratches and all the modeling. So we're gonna make this car looking like a show car. What we're gonna be doing, we're gonna change the color of the car. We are gonna be painting the inside of the dash. We are gonna be painting everything. Doors are gonna come off, trims are gonna come off. The bodywork's pretty much on point. It does have little nicks here and there that I'm gonna have to fix, which it's gonna get fixed. The inside of the trunk, it is gonna get painted. The inside of the dash is all metal, so all of this is gonna get painted. The steering wheel column is gonna get painted. So I'm gonna show you how to cover everything up, paint the inside. We're gonna be removing and reassembling everything. We're gonna be removing doors, we're gonna be removing fenders, also the wheel wells on the bottom right here. Everything's gonna get a brand new, freshly painted surface, guys. The chrome is gonna be redone. So let's get to it.
Hands deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every coded lyric, layers so defined. Turn a clunker to a stunner, tattooed in design. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Midnight oil burns, streaks of sweat on the hood. Every flaw whispers, about to shine for good. Spray guns hum like the streets understood. Far away, birth speed, art where rust once stood. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Yeah, midnight oil burns, streaks of sweat on the hood. Every flaw whispers about to shine for good. Spray guns hum like the streets understood. Far away, birth speed, art where rust once stood. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey.
There you go. You saw a little preview as to how this car was built. Here you go, guys. Let me show it to you up close. This car came out flawless, guys. The paint job came out flawless. No modeling, no tiger striping. This is the other side. Now if you see with little water droplets here and there, I just washed it and we did move it, so but we're gonna clean all that up once everything's dried. All the trim has been redone. Everything has been redone. So there it is. There it is. Everything has been painted inside and out. Dashboard has been painted. Door jambs. Everything, guys. Everything has been painted. They are going to change the rims to chrome. They're going to get some chrome wire wheels. So there you go. This is gonna be it, guys. This is gonna be it for this video, for this build. If you guys enjoyed it, like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Like always, stay safe and God bless.